What if I told you there's one savings trick that takes 5 minutes to set up but could save you $2,000 or more this year? No extreme budgeting, no cutting out coffee, no spreadsheets, just one simple system that works even if you're bad with money. Stay with me because in the next several minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set this up. Let's be honest. Most people fail at saving money because they rely on willpower. They say things like, I'll save whatever's left at the end of the month, but then they forget to transfer money, they spend first and save later, or their system is so complicated they give up. And the worst part, your brain is wired to spend, not save. But there's a psychological trick that flips that around, and once you use it, saving becomes automatic. Solution reveal, the shockingly easy method. Here's the core idea. Pay yourself first automatically. Instead of saving what's left over, you save first and spend what's left. Here's how to set it up in under 5 minutes. Open your banking app, go to Transfers or Automation. Create an automatic transfer. Pick a small amount, like $25 or $50. Schedule it for the same day your paycheck hits. That's it. You don't touch it, you don't think about it, you don't rely on motivation. It's set once, forget forever. Even $25 a week equals $1,300 a year. Now, let's stack the system. This is where things get fun. Use round-up savings. Every time you spend $3.40, your bank rounds it to $4 and saves the 60 cents. You don't feel it, but over a year, it adds up fast. Next, the $5 challenge. Every time you get a $5 bill in cash, you don't spend it, you save it. Most people accidentally save $300 to $700 a year doing this without trying. Small actions, massive results. Now, here's the part most people mess up. Your brain sees money in your main account as spendable, so we hide your savings from yourself. Here's what you do. Open a second savings account at a different bank if possible. No debit card, no instant transfers. Now, name your savings. Not savings account. Call it emergency fund, vacation in Greece, new car fund, freedom fund. Your brain protects named money. And then use a visual tracker, a progress bar, a chart, a simple goal meter. When you see progress, you stay consistent. Let me show you what this looks like long term. Someone saving just $50 a month at 7% interest, in 4 years, $2,847, and in 10 years, $8,700 plus. And I know what you're thinking, but Jake, I don't have extra money. That's exactly who this works for, because we're not asking you to save big, we're asking you to save automatically. Start with $10, then $25, then $50. Momentum beats motivation. Every time. Here's your challenge. Try this for 30 days. Set up one automatic transfer, one roundup feature, one named goal account. Then come back and comment how much you saved. And next week, I'm showing you the forbidden trick that can literally double your savings rate without earning more money. So if you want that video, hit subscribe and I'll see you there.